Farmer Mike back again at the #1 urban farm in America, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District where it lives. Farmer Mike here outside Ophelia's, and I have a special treat to show you. Of course, we're all about collaboration, and one of our partners down the street, Vine Street Brewing. It is Missouri's first African-American owned brewery, and this is one of the beers that that they made with our basil right here. So I'm gonna try one of these, and then this is another exotic beer they have with grain from Africa. And in my hand, Farmer Mike has hops. We grew these hops for a collaboration, a very special beer, and this is 2 years in the making, almost 3 years in the making. And so inside the greenhouse, we have a lot of hops, 18 feet of hops. And we need to pull all of these. So yes, Farmer Mike needs your help. Next Saturday, we're looking for volunteers down here at Ophelia's, 24th and Vine. Next Saturday, 9 a.m., we need to pull all the hops, all the cones off of the hops, and take them down to Vine Street Brewing so they can make an awesome Vine Street beer right here. And so this is the one they did with our basil. And these are the hops. Of course, it's a little dark. You can't see it, but inside the whole greenhouse is below 18 feet of hops. And we need to pull all those down, and we need to pull them off and take them down to Vine Street Brewing. So Farmer Mike knows you're going to come out and support. We got to pull all these hops for the brewery. We'll do it tomorrow. We'll do it Saturday. I'm out of here. We'll do it next Saturday at 9 a.m. outside Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. So if you're looking for something to do next Saturday, 9 a.m., come to 24th and Vine, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, the community garden, the people's garden. That's Grandmother Ophelia, who loved giving back, loved the people, loved doing it for the community. And if that spirit runs in you, let me know in the comments section. And so these are hops. These are what they look like. And this is actually a bittering agent for beer. It's what gives it that taste. I'm gonna go ahead and bust one of these open and show you right here, because I'm so proud of what we were able to do here at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. And look at how it grows. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So we need to pull all these. I'm gonna take it just because I like that beer taste. Oh, it's better. It's so better. I'm sure. This is citrusy too. Oh my. It's gonna make a great beer. Hopefully, you can come on out and help us pull all these and take them down to Vine Street Brewing for a great beer. 18th and Vine Jazz beer. It's gonna be awesome, and we'll pull all those next Saturday right here at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. And next Saturday is Melissa's birthday, so maybe she'll come on down and help us pull these hops so they can make an awesome beer. And this is a great collaboration as well with Ophelia's basil. I love this one right here from Des Jones, so I'm gonna enjoy that one tonight. And they have a new one. The labels aren't even on it, but this is I'm really excited, really looking forward to this one right here. It's made with grain from Africa, and so very, very cool right there. But what about Vine Street? I love the promos. Definitely check them out, Vine Street Brewing. And again, we'll pull all the hops for that beer collaboration next Saturday at 9 a.m. at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, 2416 Vine Street, Kansas City, Missouri, 64108. So hopefully we can get some volunteers, a lot of volunteers to come on out, because this has never been done before here. And I'm not sure how long it's going to take to pull all of these hops, all the cones off the vine. Not sure how long that's going to take, but their plan is to take them back to Vine Street, dry them, and and put them in some awesome beer. So great collaboration right here. Doing it for the community in the Jazz District. 18th and Vine Jazz District, where it lives. Farmer Mike, doing it for the culture with Vine Street Brewing, Missouri's first African-American owned brewery. How cool is that?